Imagine this. It's 6 a.m., you wake up, and instead of heading to a draining 9-to-5 job, you grab your laptop, make a cup of coffee, and your daily earnings are already rolling in. No boss, no commute, just you and a lifestyle you control. But let me warn you, this isn't a fairy tale. Most people never achieve this because they fall for scams or never take the right steps. Today I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make money online, build wealth, and live life on your terms. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because I've saved the most lucrative strategy for last. Quick question. If I told you I made $500 yesterday from my couch, would you think I'm lying or just jealous? Either way, let's dive in because your future self will thank you. First up, freelancing. Can you write, design, code, or even proofread? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you turn skills into cash. Here's a little secret. I know someone who started proofreading college essays. She now earns over $2,000 a month, all from her dorm room. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have any skills. Guess what? I'll show you how to fix that in just a minute. Drop shipping. This is e-commerce without the headache of storing inventory. Platforms like Shopify let you sell products without ever touching them. Remember that trendy water bottle you saw on Instagram last week? It was probably from a dropshipper making thousands a month. But here's where most people go wrong. They pick random products. I'll let you in on the secret to finding hot products in just a moment. Keep watching. Now, this is for my creatives. Content creation. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, there's a fortune to be made through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You don't need millions of followers. Micro-influencers with as few as 10,000 engaged followers are earning $5,000 per post. And if you're sitting there thinking, nobody cares about my boring life, here's a plot twist. People are making money reviewing dollar store gadgets or sharing study hacks. So yes, your life is interesting enough. Not everyone wants to build a business, and that's okay. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely let you find flexible jobs with companies paying top dollar for remote workers. Roles in customer service, tech support, or social media management are more in demand than ever. And if you're wondering which of these jobs pay the most, don't worry. I've got a tip for uncovering high-paying remote gigs that'll blow your mind. Finally, the holy grail, affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions promoting other people's products. No inventory, no customer service. Amazon's affiliate program is a great starting point, but the real gold is in niche-specific programs offering up to 50% commissions. Imagine earning $100 for every sale you drive while you sleep. But here's the kicker, there's one tactic I use to maximize earnings, and you'll need to watch my next video to learn it. So, which of these strategies are you ready to try? The truth is, the time to start isn't tomorrow or next week, it's right now. Take a deep breath, pick one method, and commit. And if you're serious about earning big as a student or with no experience, click on the video right here. Do this to make $10,000 as a student. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Don't just dream about wealth, go claim it.